For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign onto Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about the prefix inter. So today you're going to be creating new words using the prefix inter. When you first open up this assignment, you will see two different slides. The first slide you will see is the one you see here. So for this slide, you'll only be taking the prefix inter and combining it with another root word and making a new word. So we'll do the first one together. You have inter as your prefix, and you have view as your root word, making the brand new word interview. You want to click in here where it says type new word, highlight it all, delete it, and type your new word, interview, interview. You will continue making 4 new words with the prefix inter. After you have made all 5 of your words, you will then click to the second slide, which I'm going to show you now. When you add a prefix to a word, it changes the definition of the word. So you will need a dictionary and you will need to look up the 2 words that you see here. You will see the word intersect and the other word that I believe is hidden by my head right now, intervene. So using a dictionary, you will need to find the word intersect, double click in here and type the definition of the word. Once you have the definition for the word intersect, you'll need to find the definition for the word intervene. Make sure it's spelled correctly. Make sure both boxes are filled out on the second slide, and all 5 of the boxes on the first slide are filled out with your 5 new words using the prefix inter before you click submit for your teacher.